the process is moving forward as it should. No? It is going to be handled by the book. Due process will be conducted, and there will be no shortcuts to this. It will not be, I don't know, it will be shielded from any influence, and it is clear that the AFP justice system will prevail accordingly.
The Philippine Air Force organization, business as usual, wala naman it's an isolated case. So we see it as a maganda na we know for a fact that the people are now alam nila yung kanilang mga karapatan, so they came out and nagsalita sila kung anong may nangyari. From the get-go, from the start, the personnel are well trained, indoctrinated on this. For instance, yung RA 1313, Safe Spaces Act natin, so alam nila mga karapatan nila. So wala namang any problem. Again, it's an isolated case.